Welcome to the final video in the series on persuasive essay writing. I'm Meredith Gotzel, and I will be your guide through the final part of your essay, the conclusion. Are you ready to write a mic drop worthy conclusion? Let's do it. To write an excellent conclusion, you want to make sure you leave your reader with something to chew on. You want to motivate them to take up arms and join your cause. So, to make sure that happens, you need to remind them of your claim by summarizing your main points, then reestablishing the importance of your topic, then ask a question to get them thinking, and finally, give them a call to action with a concluding statement. Now that you have all those parts, let's break down each part so you know exactly what to do. The first thing you need to do is restate your claim and summarize your main points. It may feel repetitive, but people need to constantly hear you, so the point sticks with them. Here's what I wrote. I believe that the school day should be longer so that students have more time for small group instruction, to be taught all the instruction, and have overall better grades and test scores. This should be as to the point as possible. That means all you need to write is 2 sentences, maximum. To be fair, 1 sentence would be ideal. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, write down a 1 to 2 sentence restate of your claim and summary of your main points. Then unpause the video for the next section. Once you've restated your claim and summarized your points, you need to tell the reader again why this matters. Why should they care? Pull at their heartstrings, make them feel the same way that you do. When you're persuading someone, you need to combine the facts and the emotion to truly win someone over. So here's what I wrote. Education is so important. It sets students up for a better life. If students are able to learn more now, they will be able to go to a good school and have a better chance for a successful future. I'm going through and not just saying, here are all these facts, statistics, and showing times where it's worked. I'm also going through and saying like, yeah, this is really important. Futures, we want to set everyone up for good futures. That's so important. So I'm really getting in there to the emotional side of things. All right, now it's your turn again. Pause the video, write down 1 to 2 sentences reestablishing the importance of your topic and why I should care about your topic. Then unpause the video for the next section. All right, you have the first 2 parts down. Now, a great way to connect with your reader and engage them is to ask a question. Keep it simple, like the one I have. Don't you think that sounds like a good idea? You're also guilting them a little bit, like, yeah, agree with me. This is a good idea. Don't you think so? It's a good idea. This will make them start to think if they aren't already doing so. Okay, it's your turn again. Pause the video, write down a question that will get your reader thinking. Then unpause the video for the next section. It's not only important to tell people about the problem and give a solution, but your solution needs to be specific. If you can give an example of how it's already worked somewhere, that is perfect. It's a great way to say, hey, look, this not only sounds good, but it actually works. I give a very quick, to the point example. I've already talked about this earlier in my paper, but I'm reminding them, hey, this worked. I would love to see this change happen. It could start in some schools like the ELT program in Massachusetts and expand to other states. We've seen it work. Let's try and make it happen again. You know the drill. It's your turn. Pause the video, write down how you would solve your problem. Then unpause the video for the next section. At this point, you've hopefully gotten your reader on your side. But just being on your side isn't enough. Now you need to call the reader to action so they can start helping you with your cause. This is the last part. Here is what I wrote. Help us make the day longer by writing to your city council for them to vote on a longer day. It's your turn. Pause the video, write down your call to action, then unpause the video for the next section. Congratulations, you did it! You have completed your concluding paragraph and your persuasive essay. Thank you for joining me on our journey through writing a persuasive essay. Now go ahead, reread, and revise to make your work shine.